Ready to make those beautiful wedding seashells for your table? Let's get started. The top of the shells, white. I'm used an iridescent paint this time because I like the shimmer. You're gonna need to take the other plies off of the napkin. So what you'll do is take it right from the corner. It can be a little bit hard to do sometimes, but they do come off. And most napkins will definitely have two plies. Here's the first one. Oh, there we go. And when both plies are off, do it kind of carefully. You don't want to rip it. You'll almost be able to see through. Now, you have that. You want to size it up. We're ready to get this on there. Tear off a sheet of cellophane. You want to load your brush and go ahead and apply it to your shell. Not super thick, but enough to make the napkin stick. Because when you bake it, it's going to pretty much keep that napkin solid on there for life. So that looks pretty straight, and you don't want to pull it to make it too tight. And get our dress right there. If you have a couple of folds or something that come up, if you can straighten them out, great. If not, don't worry about it, because when you're baking it, it's going to come out anyway. All right, that looks good. Let's put the cellophane on the top. Get your dry brush and go ahead and start right at the middle and just kind of tap it to start. Is that covering that? Yeah. And just real lightly work your way down the shell through the grooves. This is really looking good so far. We're gonna take care of that bottom part, and the shell lines go that way. So we're going to make sure the brush goes that way. And go ahead and push those little creases in there so it stays. All the materials that we're using today will be in the description with the link to purchase. And I usually always buy discount codes for that week, or a code that will permanently give you a discount. This is looking really good. If you can, go ahead and pick it up and just continue. Okay, that looks good. We're gonna go ahead and take this off very carefully. And we're going to get these side pieces of paper or the napkin off that we don't need. And we're going to continue on with the wet brush. Come on. Okay. Grab your wet brush. Try not to touch the top of it. What is that? Okay. And very carefully re-wet the sides. If you have to touch the top, be very, very careful. All right, it looks really good. And looks like it wants to start coming off. So just really gently pull. And it's coming off the sides beautifully. Then you can just kind of brush off any gobs of it that you don't want. Kind of blend it in. They're out of the oven and dry, and I think they came out pretty good. Pretty shiny. I like the colors. The back, all of them are nice and clear. Now you want to choose which embellishments you're going to put on each shell. And my suggestion is to just grab what you think will look good and put it by each shell you're going to do. I'm going to be using the self stick pearls.